These are the Purecise Simple Sheets Laundry Detergent Sheets. So they're not dryer sheets, they're laundry detergent sheets. So they're concentrated soap and they dissolve, completely biodegradable, no mess. They're good for, they're eco-friendly, hypoallergenic, phosphate-free, phthalate-free, all that good stuff. They work with hot water, cold water, high efficiency washers, top load, front load, basically everything. Super cool, plastic free. And look at that. So they come in a sheet and that's what they look like. They're smooth on one side, kind of rough on the other side, and they dissolve. You can use half of one if you have a smaller load, a full one for a larger load, 2 if you have a really big load. They smell just fresh and clean. They don't smell, you know, perfumed or anything. Such a cool idea. So much better for the environment. Great for travel. And they're inexpensive. So I really like these a lot. Definitely recommend.